Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the BitMart Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the BitMart application on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now from here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and then in order to change your currency, tap on the settings button. You will now see the language as well as the currency options. Go ahead and tap on the currency, and now you can choose from the various different currencies that are available. Tap on your desired currency, and once you have it selected, you can simply go back and the changes will be applied to your respective pages. You can go back to the same page at any point of time in order to once again change your desired currency. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the BitMart Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.